Good morning, Taurus. My name is Mary Fleming. I am part of the Amacon Delta chapter here at East Illinois University. Um, just to start off, my major is bioengineering technology. Attending Zoe certification training really helped me be beneficial within my chapter and taking the tools that I learned at Zoe and bringing it back to my chapter to balance out our chapter in a way we can have um, a grip of things within our chapter and making sure everything flows decently and in order. Um, as this training does help within my goals as being a leader in Zeta, it has given me the benefit of the doubt to take forth within my current positions within the chapter and see thus far how it can be related to previously to my other leadership roles that I have had in high school, and thus me being here a 4 year university of having leadership roles as well. An improvement in the strength of the leadership assessment that we did within the zone training. I felt as though I had used my skills that I already put thus forth with being organized and everything. It has given me the ability to have the strength to push forward my goals as being organized, time management, as well as working more well in a team. As being leader, yet as we see as we could follow a leader into being a leader. We see as like the climate of the trust and facilitated relationship within a sisterhood is the balancing of working together hand in hand. As I say, as a team, it's no I in team. And it's just though we have that leadership skills that we encounter. The Strength Finder 2.0 assessment results within the knowledge that I gained, knowing that the names of how we as individuals tend to be balanced and learning more within Zeta and then ourselves as well. The results that I received was different, but it was still the same because it related towards me in a way to seeing how it controls the way I operate. Operate in life as to finding where I can go, how I can cooperate with others, and just being me as an individual. So I just felt like Zoe took me in another direction and learning more about Zeta. How it helped me within my environment as well is that not only helped me in Zeta, but helped me personally as to finding more about myself as an individual, that I do take upon a lot of things in my lifespan and that I just need to slow down within it. Has an attraction of my sisters. It's just basically taking what I learned in Zoe and bringing it back, saying that no matter what circumstance it is, that we work hand in hand, and to become great leaders for one another, being one accord, of having that sister bond that no matter the task at hand, no matter the emotional, the mental, and physical within your life as a personal thing, it's just that you have to balance. So I just feel like Zoe is a very good way to clarify the things of being a leader and to be open. Thank you, Soros. Have a nice day.